If you made it this far, congrats. We are now 1/3 of the way through our wholesaling process for beginners. Welcome to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. This video is about comparing homes, aka comps, aka what they selling for in the hood. This is the 5th step in our wholesale process. If you missed our first 4 videos, please watch them to catch up. If you're new to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. In our last video, we discussed the after repair value, which is the finished crib price, aka the home fixed up. The way to find the after repair value is to compare homes. Compared homes, or comps for short, are the best way to figure out how much a crib is worth. MLS and the Zillow Sold function are the best way to compare homes. Just a word of advice, when using the Zillow Sold function, don't use the regularly listed homes because the prices can be way overpriced due to what we call inflation, aka people be making up their own prices. Comparing homes with wholesaling can be compared to checking out everybody's ganja prices in the area before you buy some. You want to make sure the cost is average. Now, you might be asking, how do we compare homes? Well, you want to find 3 houses that are located in the same area. Next, you want to make sure they are sized within 300 square feet of each other, plus or minus. Then you want to find ones that have a similar number of bathrooms and bedrooms, age, and condition. Once you found 3 similar homes, you want to take the price average. For example, house 1 costs $200,000. House 2 costs $250,000. House 3 costs $300,000. Our after repair value will be $250,000. Remember, we need to know the after repair value to figure out the maximum offer for a property. In our next video, we will show you the step after comparing homes to find your after repair value, which is the estimated repair cost, aka the price to get the work right. So let's recap. Comping homes on MLS and the Zillow Sold function is the best way to find your after repair value. Once again, when using the Zillow Sold function, don't use the regular listings and make sure to go to the Sold function because prices are inflated. Find 3 houses that are the same size in square feet plus or minus 300. Make sure they are located in the same area, have the same number of beds and bath, are the same age, and are in the same condition. Find the average of the 3 properties, which gives us our after repair value. The after repair value is needed when we calculate our max offer. Did we miss something when it comes to using the average price of compared homes to find your after repair value? If so, let us know down in the comments below and help others out who may be having a difficult time understanding the concept. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. In our next video, we will be covering the estimated repair cost, which is also a number that is needed to calculate our max offer. So until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.